Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Update Internet Download Manager to the latest build because older installers lack correct Chrome hooks. Once done, open Chrome, go to More Tools, then Extensions, and enable Developer Mode. This exposes install options. Next, run the IDM installation file as administrator to register the native messaging host. Make sure IDM integration module files, CRX or extension folder, are available. Keep the installer open so you can drag or add files in the next step. Now install and register. Drag the IDM extension folder or the extracted CRX into Chrome's extensions page, accept prompts to add it. Then verify the native messaging host manifest exists in the Windows registry or at the expected path in app data or program files. This file tells Chrome how to talk to IDM. If the extension appears disabled, enable it, and once added, restart Chrome so the browser reloads the extension and establishes the native messaging connection for downloads to be intercepted correctly. Finish by testing. Navigate to a downloadable media file and start download. IDM's grabber dialog should appear. This proves integration. If it does not, reinstall IDM as administrator and explicitly check the Integrate with Browsers option, then re-add the extension in developer mode. If problems persist, check IDM logs and Windows Event Viewer for permission or native messaging errors, and make sure Chrome policies or antivirus are not blocking extensions. That single troubleshooting step usually reveals the cause.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.